What we're looking at here is a sidewalk, and someone went ahead and sealed the area with some type of caulking in between the sidewalk and the exterior wall. This is actually the EFIS type of stucco system. It's not regular concrete. And there it is. There's the caulking. And you can see it's actually separated from the building. Now, why it hasn't separated from the sidewalk, I don't know. Maybe it's got a nice bond to the sidewalk. Likes the sidewalk a little more. So I really don't know why it's sticking to the sidewalk and not the building, but we can actually see where it has separated. This could be due to a few different things. Remember, concrete does expand and contract. I don't think the foam system expands and contracts, but the concrete definitely does. And I'm just here to say or suggest that these gaps need to be filled. Otherwise, you're going to have water leaking into them that could possibly cause erosion problems. Now, let's take a look at the picture here, first picture. And you can see there's a lot of water coming out of one of these downspouts. And if you look to the right, you can actually see a nice pool of water in the parking lot. And these pictures were taken in Colorado, so you are going to be dealing with snow, freezing temperatures, which of course are going to create or add to the problem. In areas where I live, like Southern California, you might be able to install a sidewalk, the EFIS system, and caulk something like this could last for years. But whenever you're dealing with extra moisture, water, don't forget concrete sidewalks do expand and contract. And of course, the water absorbing into the concrete is going to cause it to expand. Drying out is going to cause it to shrink. And of course, I would imagine that's what caused the crack. But again, I'm just guessing there. Throwing out a good guess, though. Now, the thing you don't want is water seeping into the crack. It will actually, over time, I want to say it will, but it could. The water could actually erode the soil away from the building foundation underneath the sidewalk, cause the sidewalk to crack, fall later, lower, let's say. And if it gets underneath the footings and creates a pocket there, then you're going to have problems with the building as the footings actually start to sink into the ground due to the erosion. So you think about something like this, is it a big deal? It might not be, but I'm here to say this is another one of those things that could, with maybe $100 worth of caulking, you go around there and you seal the gap between the building and the caulking with some more caulking, and you don't have to worry about it. I mean, remember, someone actually took the time and built the sidewalk. They left a space for the caulking. They went ahead and installed the caulking. So there's got to be a reason why they put this stuff in here instead of just pouring the sidewalk right up against the building and leaving it at that. So once you understand the reasons why, which of course these are the reasons why, then you won't, you'll want to fix this stuff as soon as possible. So just to recap everything in the video, concrete expands, contracts. Gaps like these can cause erosion and lead to future building repairs. Yeah, through erosion and stuff like that. So anyway, that's it for the video. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comment areas. Leave them for any of the videos, and I will try to answer them as soon as possible. That's it for this video. On to the next one.